They expected noise. They expected anger. They expected weakness disguised as volume. But you gave them silence, and that shook the room. You want to make your enemies fear you? Then don't shout. Don't beg. Don't explain. Master what they can't touch. What they can't predict. What they can't decode. Your stillness. The most terrifying man in the room isn't the one who yells. It's the one who watches in silence, forcing everyone to hear their own noise. You don't need words to make your enemies fear you. You just need to master what they can't understand. Stillness. When you speak less, you make others listen harder. And when you say nothing at all, they panic. Let's begin. Part 1. Stillness isn't weakness, it's control. Picture this. You're in a meeting. Your idea gets mocked. The air tightens. All eyes shift to you. But you don't flinch. You don't fight. You simply nod. That's not weakness. That's dominance. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Your reaction is your battlefield, and when you choose stillness, you win before the war even starts." Real-life dramatization. Think of a soccer game. A brutal foul. The crowd roars. The fouled player stands calmly, walks away. Now the crowd turns, not against him, but against the aggressor. The man who walks away in silence, he owns the game. Part 2. Reactions are leverage. Don't give them. Annie. Every insult thrown your way is bait. A jealous coworker, a bitter ex, an insecure friend. They want to pull you into their chaos. And when you react, they win. But when you don't, they unravel. Story voice. Clara worked in a vicious office. One woman constantly belittled her in meetings. Clara smiled, took notes, stayed focused. Weeks passed. People stopped laughing at the jokes. And the attacker? She started to look desperate, like someone screaming into silence. That's how stillness exposes weakness. Epictetus said, "If someone speaks badly of you, reply, 'He obviously does not know me very well.'" You don't need defense. You need presence. Part 3. Unreadability is a strategy. Use it. People don't fear what they understand. They fear what they can't read. You want to be powerful? Be unpredictable. Narrative example. Caleb was the quietest man in the office. Always polite, never overshared, never emotional. He wasn't hiding. He was protecting. The less people knew about him, the more they feared what he might do, just like poker. The player who never shows his tells, he owns the table. Seneca wrote, "Know when to speak and when to be silent." Silence isn't absence, it's strategy. Part 4. Actions in silence create shockwaves. Everyone's talking, bragging, posting, promising, but the one who says nothing and delivers, they rewrite the room. Illustrative example. Samira never talked about her plans, never advertised her wins. Until one day, her system saved the company millions. While others were pitching dreams, she built reality. Or picture this, a student who never speaks in class. The quiet one, but when test results come, she tops the chart. Everyone turns. Not because she asked for attention, but because she earned it. Epictetus. Don't explain your philosophy, embody it. That's how you move mountains, silently. Pardinar. Voice authenticity makes people uncomfortable, and that's okay. In a world full of masks, the man who doesn't wear one, he becomes a mirror. Jace wasn't popular, he wasn't flashy, but he was real, didn't gossip, didn't chase attention. He just existed honestly, and that made people nervous. Not because he judged them, but because he reminded them of their compromises. Relatable example. You're at a party. Everyone's performing. You're just yourself. Later, someone pulls you aside. There's something about you. That's not charm. That's pressure. Marcus Aurelius. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Authenticity is quiet, but it echoes. In a world addicted to noise, be silence. In a room full of tension, be stillness. Stillness is strength. Silence is strategy. Presence is pressure. Let your enemies wonder. Let their noise collapse in the face of your calm, because the loudest force in the room is often the one that never speaks. Thank you for listening. If this message shifted something in you, leave a comment. If you want to walk this path of power, of presence like this video, and if you're ready to step beyond average, subscribe, because your stillness starts now.